Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Pepe. Wanted to do a full update here just to keep you in the mix. To be fair, if we look at Pepe compared to other cryptos here, it's not that strong. All right, so obviously we got some momentum because the entire market pumped up quite a bit. But if you compare Pepe to other meme coins like Popcat, but also WIF is also relatively more bullish, which is new. Usually Pepe is more bullish. But also if you compare to something like Mew or something like Nero or Turbo, Pepe has been laying low a little bit here, and it still has a ton of resistance. I just wanted to keep you updated here. I do think that there will be opportunities soon, so we'll talk about that as well. But first of all, just to look at Pepe here, like we found strong support at this level at 7,200. And in general, I do think it might be a little bit early to say that, but I do think this is the 12-hour time frame. I think on the higher time frames, we have broken the downtrend. So that is bullish. And in the end, we are also gaining some. So here you can see, we are also gaining some momentum here. So that's all good. But the thing is that there still is so much resistance in this area, right? So this area right here between 8,150 and 8,750 is still filled with resistance. So as long as we are below that level, I do think at this point of time, with the bullish momentum coming back into the markets, and with Pepe also holding this level here around 7,000 relatively well, I do think this is the bottom, right? So I do think from here we'll be able to consolidate. And for now, let's assume we're in a consolidation so we can remove this trend line. So I do think we can consolidate here, but I would say Pepe gets interesting if we actually get into a higher time frame bullish structure. And for that, we at least need to break above 8,500, right? Because right now, if you just look at Pepe, I would say we're in this kind of consolidation range between ultimately 6,000 and 8,500, mostly between 7,000 and 8,500 with some sort of liquidation spikes below that here and there, which is fine. That's those are opportunities as well. But what we need to see on basically in the next couple of weeks is that Pepe is able to get up to the top of that resistance level, which I do expect. All right, so I do expect more bullish momentum on the short term for Pepe, but even from the current price, even if we go up like 6, 7, 8%, we are still on the higher time frames not bullish yet. So do I expect that, like to get to the 4-hour time frame? Do I expect that? Yes, right? I do think we'll be able to get to the top of the consolidation range here, but I don't see enough to break out above that. So unfortunately for now, I still think that this movement in general is most likely. And then what we are waiting for, and that's the ultimate opportunity for Pepe, what we're waiting for is for a time where Pepe starts to gain momentum, right? So if you look back at the history for Pepe here, the last time we were quite bullish was the 24th of August. I'll show you what happened then in terms of momentum. Like there, the momentum actually started rallying. And at this moment, and you can clearly see it as well, that's just not the case. So if that starts to perform like this, if we start to see some sort of a bullish structure in the open interest, then we can talk about a breakout above 84 and 8,600, and then we can be very bullish and we can pump a lot in a very short period of time. Short term, I am bullish, but I don't think we'll get into a massive uptrend yet. Those are my thoughts. That's all I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great day and bye.